Are you encountering issues with a specific app or program on your Windows 10 system? Uninstalling it would be the solution you're seeking. In this video, we'll guide you through several methods to achieve this. And stay tuned for a bonus tip on how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. So, let's get started. The first method involves using the Settings app. To begin, click on the Start button, select the gear icon, and navigate to the Apps section. Here, you can sort your installed apps by name, size, or install date. Choose the app you want to remove, then click the Uninstall button. Another approach involves the mighty Cortana. Type Remove in the search field on the taskbar, and from there, select Add or Remove Programs in the search results. Similar to the previous method, you can easily sort and locate your desired app and initiate the uninstallation process. For those who prefer the classic route, we have the Control Panel method. However, this method applies solely to programs and not Windows apps. Begin by clicking Start, scroll down, and expand the Windows System Shortcut folder. Then select Control Panel, followed by Programs and Features, and there you can quickly find the program you wish to remove. When you find your desired program, click on it, hit Uninstall, and follow the prompts. Remember, you may also encounter change and repair options if needed. But wait, there's an even more straightforward approach that doesn't waste any time, where you can just locate the app or program in your Start menu, right-click, and select Uninstall. You can also utilize the supplied Uninstaller. Just click Start, find the folder containing the program you want to uninstall, and click the Uninstall shortcut within the folder. For gamers who want to uninstall your game only, you can easily do within Steam. Place your cursor over Library, and wait for the drop-down menu to appear. Choose a game in the list that you want to remove. Right-click on it, in the drop-down menu mouse over the Manage option, and then click Uninstall. However, if your PC has more than one drive, instead of deleting a game you can just move it from one drive to the other, if you have the room. Click the Steam menu and then Setting option. At the left-hand side, click the Storage option. In the Storage section, click the plus button. Now choose desired drive and click Add. Finally, click the three-dot button and select the Make Default option. And as a token of appreciation for staying with us, here's a bonus tip on how to uninstall apps in Windows 11. You can access it from the Windows Start menu, right-click, and choose Uninstall. Additionally, you can also uninstall programs through Settings and the Control Panel. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, explore our complete playlist of tutorials about Windows.